Hello traders, good morning. How is everyone doing? And welcome to my trading video. So guys, in this video I'll be breaking down this loss I took on Friday. Even after I followed my rules, so there's no 100% strategy, but the best thing is to stick to your rules, and everything will play out if you have a good risk to reward ratio. So I entered this trade right there, and I was stopped out exactly at this 5-minute candle. I got wicked out, you can see right there, and I'll be breaking down how I took this trade, and step by step on what happened. I'll show you everything. Okay, so guys, remember to subscribe and like the video. If you're new to my channel, make sure subscribe and turn those post notifications on, and let's get into the video. I show you a step by step how everything happened. On the 5-minute, we had our structure right there. Okay, this was the market structure right there. Somewhere around there, and okay, then this was the low. This was my low right there. So after I got that market structure shift right there, because previously the market was bearish, creating those lower lows, lower highs, as you can see, and so my bias was sales. Okay, we are having that kind of move, then we go to that break. Okay, so we'll be considering the market now to have begun shifting bullish. So I was definitely looking for those buys. Okay, so after that market structure shift, which represents a potential reversal in the current direction of the market, so after that market structure shift, I got a break above, candle closed above, and then I got a new high right there. A new high was formed just above there. Okay, new high was formed, then a new low was formed right here. Okay, oh man, the chart is kind of lagging, but it's okay. Oh man, look how... Okay, so after I got this right here, market pushed further up and broke structure. So we got our new break of structure right there. So the bullish sentiment was confirmed right there. Then we got a small pullback, a push above, and then we created that high right there. Then I marked that high just like that. Okay, I'll be sharing more videos how you can determine a valid high, how you can determine a high or a low. Okay, it doesn't really necessarily mean you need to determine the valid one, but what you can use for high highs and high lows, low highs and lower lows. So if you got that high right there, then the market pushed down, creating that market structure shift right there. Okay, then market created that market structure shift. So my strategy is always hinged after that 5-minute market structure shift, and we had one right there. So my next move was after I got that market structure shift, this candle, after it had closed below, my this low, below the low, so I had to drop the 1 minute. So what am I always looking for on the 1 minute? I'm always looking for that 1 minute market structure shift. Okay, so when we check very well on the 1 minute, we realize we are having a series of lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So then this low failed to break below, then creating a 1 minute market structure shift. You see, as you can see right there. So we had here a change, a change in the structure right there. So we got our 1 minute market structure shift right there. One MSS right there. I will identify it as such. Okay. So what do I look for next? I'm already looking for a pullback. Okay. Remember, I'm on that 1 minute market structure shift right there. Okay. Before that, MSS was formed. Okay, right here. I'll show you what exactly happened. Okay. Then what do I look for next? I look for that pullback. Okay. And boom, I got that pullback just exactly here. Actually, that pullback happened here. Okay. Boom. You see right here, the pullback happened. The pullback happened. Then I got that engulfing right there. So I had to enter my trade exactly there. Then how do I determine my stop loss? I'm always putting my stop loss twice the spread of the current market. Uh, Previously the spread was somewhere around, if I could remember well, it was like somewhere around there. Okay, I always put it like twice the market. Then I'll be targeting a risk to reward of 4, somewhere there. Then I'll be setting and forgetting my trades. I don't micromanage my trades. Okay, then we remember we are on the 1 minute. Then the market moved, pulled back, boom, and I got stopped out. Right there. Okay, but remember on the 4H the market was definitely on our side despite what happened. Okay, the market was on our side. Okay. The market was on my side, so I got stopped out right there. Okay, then after I got stopped out, only HT market now beginning to go to my direction, so which means the bias was correct. Then the market came back, retested that entry, pushed higher, just like that. So that's how I took that loss, even after I followed all my rules as I showed you. Okay, so yeah, if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe and like the video. So what I did after I saw the market breaking above this level right there, and I retested here, I thought I could enter again, but I entered with a half loss, half my risk. Okay, so that if anything happens, I wouldn't have risked much, because I always also take 2 trades a day. If I get all of them a loss, that's I stop trading until the next day. So when I entered on this retest here, after I got a break here, there were more reasons the market would continue higher. So the market continued, and so I entered with half my risk. Okay, so let's see what happened to the second trade, because actually the second trade I entered it somewhere. I entered it at the break, at exactly the same entry point. And now this time around, if I remember right, I put my stop loss somewhere there. Okay, then I was targeting 1-4. I'm always targeting for roughly 1-4. Okay, or close to that. Then market pushed higher, it retested that high, and then I saw it coming back now again. Okay, I saw the market coming back. Okay, let's see. And now bull market again stopped me out before it could continue higher. So this was kind of a weird trade. Okay, I think the sellers were so much here, they were trying to push the market below. Okay, so market was still consolidating along this level right there. Then market continued to move like that, failing to break above the high, and finally boom, market managed to break above right there, but still market didn't manage to move higher, because for some reason oh man. So what I realized, if I had a good stop loss on this first trade right there, there were high chances I would have hit TP, this first TP right there. Okay, but let's see if this second trade would have hit take profit. Then we got that reversal. Okay, that pullback. So market now was having that massive pullback, consolidated a bit. Then market continued to have that massive pullback, okay, before it could reach midnight, and boom, it was nearly the entry. So yeah, this is what happened to this trade right there. Yeah, so I didn't risk more. I stopped at this second loss. So yeah, I lost one trade and a half for the day, and I call it a day. But yeah, as you can see very well, the bias was correct, the trade was correct, just that I got wicked out. Okay, but the direction was correct for this trade, just that for some reasons market wouldn't just go straight to the TP. market would first sweep liquidity and stuff before it can go to your direction. So guys, yeah, the good thing I followed my rules, and that's the important thing. The market, trading the market is all about probability. So yeah, we're hoping to get a winning trade in the next setup. So yeah, as long as you keep a good risk to reward ratio, you stay disciplined and patient, yeah, you will at last end profitable. Okay, thanks for watching. If you learned anything from this trade, remember to subscribe and turn post notifications on. I'm always trying to live stream daily, so remember to tune in when I'm live and learn more of my strategy. Okay, and yeah, bye bye.